Hi there, here's Chef Bonus, and today in this video I'm going to explain you which is all about caviar. What exactly caviar and how to serve, and what kind of caviars are there, and what kind of top professional Michelin restaurants are given as a starter to the guest. Right, so let's talk about caviars. Before that, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get all the updates, and simultaneously don't forget to click the thumb button. Right, so that's all like. So let's start with the first slide. That what I have is all about caviar. Right, so what exactly caviar is all about, I'm going to explain you here. Caviar is the salted roe, R-O-E, right? This particular word, don't forget it, because that is all about called a caviar, right? Or eggs of the sturgeon. Sturgeon is a fish where the caviars means the roe as comes out from the sturgeon fish, right? The most important caviars is producing a lot of countries, having traditional been from two countries, which is one Russia and one is from Iran, both of which borders the Caspian Sea, the Caspian. Well, a lot of different people have different pronunciation of that, but I say the Caspian. So Caspian Sea, where the sturgeons are harvested, right? So caviar is giving the name of the species of the sturgeon, and it takes from, right, the beluga, right? The word is beluga, is the most largest and scariest sturgeons, right? Which is like, large in sizes, and it yield the largest and most expensive eggs. This is like the rich expensive, that what we say, the rich in omega-3, vitamin D, and which is, we can say, like in a genuine one, right? Which is that is the only the top one that you just can't get more than top of that level, right? So that is comes from beluga, and that's the largest and scariest sturgeons are there. I mean, sturgeon is a fish that comes up and yield largest, most expensive eggs. The most like the top Michelin star, they always go for the expensive eggs. That is like the sturgeon one, and I think so there's no other level that you can get the richness of that caviars, right? So they are like different fishes out there which having the different big eggs. So depend to the finest and the richest, it comes to this one, right? Let's go another slide. Let's figure out what exactly we have. The larger eggs are generally more expensive, size or price alone. Well, does not necessarily indicate like quality. Well, there particularly three types of caviars considerably in quality, like the caviars made with a relatively low proportion of a salt is labeled malasole. That is what we can say, malasole. This is like my way to speak, my way to pronounce this particular word, which means a little salt. Like the malasole caviars is considered the better quality than the more highly salted variant, right? However, for those who must restrict their salt intake, there is no such thing as low sodium caviars. Even malasole is salty because that's the nature, right? The sea where you're getting the fish, the water itself contains a salt. So when you're just getting any of fish, so definitely there is salt already there in that flesh, or any of things coming out from the fish, like the eggs or the gills, whatever you're gonna take it up, it already the salt contain it. If we wash it, doesn't matter, still the saltiness will be there. For that reason, when we're gonna make the sea, especially the sturgeon sea and big particular seas, they already contain a bit salt, so we try to figure it out how much salt we have to add for to get a better flavor, right? Let's go to the next slide. And now I'm gonna tell you about the caviars is either fresh or pasteurized. Well, the kind of thing that they preferred. Let's talk about the fresh caviars. Let me tell you here that the fresh caviars can be unopened tin. You can see the picture that I have been displayed, and the top of that I just wrote it down here is a caviar. So that's a small tin comes, right? For Indian people, let me just tell you that how it looks like in the tin. It's just like the polish, the cherry polish that we use for the shoe. Yeah, that's the big tin comes up, and which is very expensive if it comes from roe, that's the egg means, and that's from the sturgeon. That is like the richness of that sturgeon eggs. So that comes in that tin is very much expensive, right? Just like maybe like a truffle, that is very much expensive, right? So it just comes in a tin which kept in a few weeks. We just can't keep for longer as we're gonna keep it longer, the taste and the flavors will not gonna be intense. Means not gonna get that freshness. Definitely, if you keep something for a longer time, you don't gonna get that freshness. Once open, it being to be Detroit quickly and should be eaten the same day if possible. If it's possible, this better be just finished up in the same day. Well, at the big restaurants like Michelin star restaurants, they don't really keep for long. It's like comes up, so definitely gonna be like in 100 packs or some of like 50 or 60 packs. So one shot it will be completely done. If some of things are there, I think so rather gonna be take a long, the next day all finished, right? So here let's talk about the pasteurized caviars is actually a low quality, because exactly it's been kept for long as compared to the fresh caviars, because it has been heat treated, unopened, and it will keep much longer than the fresh caviars. But once open, is should be eaten as quickly as possible or within a few days, just like in a fresh caviars, right? There's nothing difference in it. The fresh caviars, as soon as possible you can finish it up, that'd be really great. So the genuine taste you can easily get that from the fresh caviars. Pasteurized caviars, definitely they've been taken care of by doing some process. As you can see here, it's written has been heat treated, so definitely something will be not exactly the freshness as that what we're gonna get it from straight from the fish and to the mouth, right? So these are two basic thing. And the other caviars, let me tell you, with the other fish are also there where we can get the caviars. Raw is from other fish include. From other fish we can have trout, they have salmon, we have whitefish, we have lumpfish, right? Are all salted caviars. These are the better quality and useful alternative to expensive sturgeon caviar. Sturgeon, I said already, I think so plenty of time already said the same thing. Sturgeon fish is like another rich one coming from that egg called as roe, and the fish egg is equal to roe. That is what the roe name is, the fish egg. We actually call the fish egg as a roe, right? Simple as that. And other fish we can get a salmon fish egg is a bit bigger than the roe fish. Sturgeon fish egg, is a bit bigger one, and when it comes to the taste, it's not exactly the sturgeon. It's different taste. It looks in golden color, little bit pale yellow, or you can say like a pale orange. So that's how it looks, right? Let's close another one. So in this slide I'm going to explain you, which is all about serving caviar. Everything is have a different way to serve, and when it comes to the caviar, it's like an expensive, or it doesn't matter, it's like expensive or inexpensive, but there is a way to eat. So the one way is the best caviar should be served in ice cold and as simple as possible. Then the second thing that we have some of accompaniments who just want to add some of flavor to that, not to have only the raw taste of that. So caviar accompaniments are like a chopped onion, lemon, chopped egg, and sour cream. Maybe all for inexpensive raw. Here's the tip. Well, the caviars are so sensitive for that reason that they're using the spoon. It must be made of bone, porcelain, or mother of pearls, or even plastic. They don't use metal because they believe that the metal is something that react faster with the caviar and give an unpleasant taste. So you can understand that how much really the caviars are sensitive, that if you take the caviars, like just to transfer from caviar tin to the plate, if you use the metal, so it can change the taste of the caviar. So let's go to the next slide. So let me tell you the caviar is all about. The richness of the caviar is having the vitamin B12 and the omega-3 fatty acid, which is the most crucial for the brain function and the heart health. They help to reduce the inflammation in the body that can lead to chronic disease. So this is what you can do benefit you can get it if you really eat the caviars, having a vitamin 12 and omega-3 fatty acid, right? And let me explain you in a shorter way, the whole slide's completed. So the conclusion, or the short way to understand the sturgeon, like what the caviar is all about, sturgeon fish, those eggs called as roe, which is ROE, and those eggs from different fish, not from the sturgeon fish, from different fish, that eggs calls as caviars. So simple as that, right? So guys, thank you for watching my videos, and do watch, do learn, and do share. So sharing is caring, so please do share with the friends. So for the culinaries, if they don't know about this caviars, so it will help them to know about this, and they can go through my lot of videos that what I have in the previous. So please go and learn from that. I'll be coming with new videos, right? Thanks guys, bye bye.